like arm up, show that on camera. That's what I'm saying. My whole arm. Look, you see my arm go up,
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
but that was my arm been down.
Dice, you gotta remember, man. I seen it was up and down, man. Dog, I seen how fast it moved, man. Yeah, yeah. We here though. We checking this out, making sure all the how they say the highs and lows is together. Shit, let me see if we lit on this motherfucker, y'all. Y'all know what time it is for real. Let's see. Let me make sure, cause it say we live, but I'm trying to just make sure, man. Let's talk that talk, man. Let's see. What up? What up? What up? Appreciate y'all tuning in, tapping in, shit. You know, yeah, man. Type in the comments if y'all hear a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all can hear me and the guests up in this piece. Cause we finna get it going. Just talk some of this young crypto talk to y'all, man. Yeah, say that. It say that joint cloud live. Okay, we got a couple people in the building, man. Let me introduce y'all to a couple people. We got my dog, Ali Bay. You know what I'm saying? One of the people that be mobbing and doing their thing with me with Joint Clouds and helping out, you know what I'm saying, extremely in this crypto space by getting people the information they need to know and trying to get them everything from signing up to, kicking them some gems. And we got my dog, Roddy Mack, in the building who most definitely is into the crypto space. He may be newer, but that don't mean he's not informed. And we gonna kick it to y'all, man. Ali Bay, man, tell them about yourself, man.
Everybody crypto and they wallet. Uh, get them some NFTs and learn uh, new internet that's coming. Yeah. So um, get them to making some money.
Okay, gotta make them that money, man. I dig it. I definitely understand. Shit, I definitely understand. We got my dog Roddy Mizak. Talk to him, man. Let him know, a little something about yourself, man. And what got you in the crypto.
Yeah, it's your boy Rod, man. I'm uh, I'm always in, you know what I'm saying, that following the new wave, you know what I'm saying, dealing with the crypto, you know what I'm saying. I'm foreign to it, but I'm steady learning, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, my brothers, you know what I'm saying, Ali Bay and Howard, you know what I'm saying, they lead me the right way, and we just getting with this digital currency, getting this money, and we just, you know what I mean, turn it up type shit. Like we riding a new wave, man, with the crypto.
Man, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. We got another guest in the building, another well-informed brother from another, Go on, drop that info to him, Brooks.
What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Shit,
Man,
just over here, man. Chilling, chilling. Checking my cash as it is right now.
yeah, I dig that. I dig that, man. Yeah, let them know. Let them know. Hey, what's what's some of the new things they should be looking forward to in this crypto space, Brooks?
Man, a lot of a lot of new projects are about to be taken over, man. A whole lot. A lot of people are focusing a lot of their efforts on insurance companies in the crypto world right now. That's from more of a the I want to say the blockchain. A lot of stuff. A lot of people are trying to put like important files and everything up on there, and they have been doing that, of course, for like the last couple of years. But they're trying to figure out just like a main storage place for for just important files. You got to think if somebody has like diabetes, or a certain heart if they just had a heart transplant, and then that they have a heart attack, or certain things that whatever, it's going to have a way to get that important stuff, media, data and everything to anybody, hospital, of a pharmacy, or just the random, if this happened, if this stuff can go to a police officer. So that's what the word is now. That's on Main Street. But uh, other than that, I mean, I'm just looking at the space, like what's up and what's down right now. It's just like, man, it's crazy.
Right. What you think about what's going on in the space, Ali Bay, man?
I think it's tight, man. I think it's doing good right now. I think it's starting, so it's in the beginning stage where got to change and become millionaire.
Now you know the big thing everybody talking about, man. What's up with Dogecoin?
Those good. It's good for people that's been
Yeah,
holding
those, yeah.
already for. If you bought it after 25 cents, then just hold on to it. You know, I'm
Hold on. I think
you can
we breaking in and out. Hold on one second. I know you. I heard you say if you bought in at 29 cent, and then what was you saying from there?
bought it at 25. I think you should just buy it now. Long term.
You
And,
say you should hold it long term.
yeah,
Okay. 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 So how? What's your? And you know, again, it'll reiterate. We are not financial advisors. This is just for pure conversation, entertainment, and knowledge of uh learning the space. But yeah. So you saying you would hold on to it, like just like what's holding on to it for you? Because, and to me, that's one reason why a lot of people are with the Dogecoin. They really didn't know where to sell at, what was a point to say, hey, let me make my money. And with so many people jumping in and buying in at a later time, more people are wanting to, and if nothing else, double their money. You know what I'm saying? So you have people that bought in at 5 cent when we did our video a month ago. If you haven't seen it, check out the YouTube, uh, where it was 5 cents then to the point where you having it where it's 35, 40 cent. It's gone up. And people have bought in at 10 cent. People bought in 20 cent, 25 cent, like you said. And their mindset is like, hey, I just want to double my money. You know what I'm saying? So what's a decent hold time that you feel like for them?
just double your money about a month. But if get rich, that's hope for good. The people with coin had, but what they tell this for
Whoa, whoa.
2 years. But I gold. I mean, uh, the all these coins so
I think you chopping up,
any
bro.
of
I don't know. Can Brooke, Rod, y'all hear him?
Yeah,
Yeah.
nah, I mean, he is chopping up.
Okay. Hold on. Well, let's go to Brooke since you there.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, hold on. Let's go to
Yeah,
you real quick
yeah,
now. Hold on one second. Hold on one second.
yeah.
It's
Now
break.
I'm actually,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I hear you, bro.
yeah. I mean, me personally, I mean, I'm fairly new to like the whole world and everything. So I look at different like bases and whatnot. Like I look at kind of like what I have like around me, I guess, like to work with as far as like okay, like so like if I what basis I have that on
Hey, good.
so much and do up in the world. I mean, I look at like okay, I look at like I try to plan, you know, as far as like okay, if I got so much money, how much do I want to plan on putting it here? I just think that the biggest mistake that people do make is only messing with like Coinbase, only messing with like mainstream, different, crypto bases and sticking with like crypto coins, and people don't do their own research enough. Like I was telling you and like a couple of other folks, it's 110 different classes of crypto, 110, and that's just if you read off the list, and I read it off, it's like you shake your head. It's like that's how many, you got to talk to
Yeah, I
smart
know it's I know it's a
contracts.
I know it's a I know it's a lot of them. I know it's a lot of them.
Man,
But hey, so well, let me ask you, hey Rob, what got you into the space like with the Doge? What you think your feelings are with the Doge coin right now?
Uh, I believe Doge is gonna go up, and I listened. I took heed to when you and Ali Bay, you know what I'm saying, told me to jump into it when it was cheap, it was like 5 cents, something like that. And I've been doing my own due diligence, do my research, and see who's backing it, and you know who's behind it. And like that it's definitely, you know what I'm saying, up right now. It's the one of the crypto coin right now. So
Right.
everybody talking about it. So I from the looks on it, you know what I'm saying. I think, you know what I mean. Big things can happen and can come from Doge. Now, will it go up to like where Bitcoin is? You know what I'm saying. That might take some years. You know what I'm saying. Probably 10 or something like that. But right now, uh, I'm enjoying my profits and I'm riding the wave.
And that's for damn sure, man. I feel that. I feel that, man.
Absolutely.
If I to me, I feel like, well, how do you know when's a good time for you since you got in early to, I guess, hop out of Doge for you? Well, get profit, or what's a good time? You say, do you just say fuck it, let it all stay in till it hit a million? You know what I'm saying? Or what's a realistically? You know what I'm saying? What's something for you?
Realistically, because I don't know how far it can, but realistically, first I want to see if it can reach $5. You know what I'm saying? Here soon, like, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I'm in it. I'm riding the wave. You know what I'm saying? I'm in it. You know what I'm saying, for the long run. It's a marathon, not a race. You know what I'm saying? But
Shout out now.
also, I ventured off in other coins too. But Doge though, it's I'm to answer that question. I'm trying to see where it's gonna go before I can be like, all right, I want to take some out. So if it reach over, like, you know what I'm saying, like $5, $10, you know what I'm saying, then I wanna, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna make my profit, you know what I'm saying. But like I said, I'm in it for the long run, man. So, I'm just trying to see what it can do before, because I'll really be upset with myself if I, you know, take some out, you know what I'm saying, now and then skyrocket up like how I did. Did nobody know that it's gonna jump
Yeah,
up like
yeah.
that, and I'll be beat myself, you know what I'm saying? So I'm learning to have patience. That's one thing I'm learning too with this crypto, man. Have patience. It's gonna be ups and downs, you know what I'm saying?
And that's the biggest thing that
Yeah.
I've seen, in that crypto space. Just being able to hold. If you can hold that shit, you'll make your money. I promise you. I promise you'll make your money. Just
Yeah.
You have to know how to say, hey, I don't need this. That's why with this crypto and with pretty much any stocks, if you are trying to put something in, you can't put something in that you don't have, and that you need right back. Like
Absolutely.
if you need it immediately, that's probably not for you. You know what I'm saying? You need to be able to say, hey, let me try to section off a certain amount. I'll put this out there that I don't need for a certain amount of time, and I'll be good. And let that make money for you, because that's what'll happen. It
Absolutely.
will definitely make money for you. Uh,
Yeah.
what's your thoughts, Ali?
Yeah, I ain't question though.
Uh, uh, what's your thoughts as far as, do you think that the how long you said to hold that Doge? You said, I know you were saying a little bit about it.
Yeah, you need to hold that Doge for about 10 years. I
That
mean,
10
if you
years.
want look for a long term with those, I hold it for about think in a mental wise. But I mean, if you wanted to hit $100, you know, think about 2 years. But some people look for that long run of the big money, so they got a lot of money. The people that got about 100,000 in it looking for this month. But if you ain't got that much in it, if you got 1,000 in it, you need to be thinking about 5 years holding, because we trying. I mean, they really trying to make multi-millionaires 2 billion. The new month in the next generation, you have to think. We're not thinking about poor people and homeless people no more. Even though it's gonna be out here, but it's gonna be so many ways that they're gonna have it. They're gonna say it's no excuse. It's so many ways that you can make so much money so fast. They trying to delete that. Like you need to be thinking long term with this crypto and holding it, because the people that are rich on Bitcoin held their stuff for 10 years. They've been in this for 10 years already, strong. They just letting the people see it now. But this is nothing new. Hold these small coins for the next 5 to 10 years.
I can't lie. I fuck with that, man. I definitely agree. Shit, I feel like you definitely need to hold on to your shit at the minimum of 5. You know what I'm saying? If you just like for real. But you know what I'm saying, and that's the stable coins more so. Now it is coins. Now if you into trading, then that's a different story. I understand. You flip and flip
Yeah.
and grab in the dip. You know what I'm saying? Grab in the dip, then you flip. You know what I'm saying? But uh,
Yeah.
I don't know what's 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 your thoughts, Brooks? Did you get you a chance to get any that Doge coin?
I got some Doge a while ago, but man, I think I have maybe a little bit, but I have not checked it. My stuff is I see the problem is my problem is I didn't diverse. No, I didn't put no thousand in. I put a little bit amount like $10 on it. Like I think probably like a month or so ago. I have not checked it since. I I scatter my stuff around so much. Like I try to hide some money
How you
from
hold on? How
myself. So
you
I
so at what did you continue to purchase in, or did you just stop at that point? You just said,
no, I
Doge wasn't
stopped at
for
that
you.
point. No,
Yeah. Now I ain't gonna lie
I
to
did
you.
not. Nah. Well, my problem is that the like I said, the money that what I what I put my cash into is like Ethereum and stuff because I try to like build off
Well,
of it.
speak
You
up,
know,
because that was one of the next ones I was finna go into, because Ethereum was doing some shit. Like, what's your thoughts on Ethereum?
I put
We
my
could
money
start with
into
you, Brooks,
Ethereum
and
for
then we could go to you, Ali Bay, man. Tell them what's your thoughts on that Ethereum blockchain.
man. My thoughts are the new Ethereum platform has hit, and the developers are buying up its and it's going to get. I think that price is going to rise. Like that's the one I'm betting on Ethereum, and pretty much all the Ethereum projects. They got a ton of new ones out here. I mean, a lot of people are. I mean, if you like the blockchain and everything, if that if that interest you like it does me, I'm pretty much all into Ethereum. Like altcoins, I'm learning kind of as I go, so I don't know that much about those. I talk to friends, I talk to the different to like I'm a different people about different coins to trade, but I'm more so thinking on like the Ethereum train. I mean, I'm trying to learn. I'm building a blockchain and I'm trying to learn. Kind of where to go with that. But it's just a ton of new projects, and it's just good that it's so young, and it's like it's almost you want to get into that now and just learn about different coding and everything. So I mean, different, and another thing that I like to talk about is the mining and the trading bots. And see,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
got
yeah.
Ethereum.
We could definitely, yeah. We gonna get into that, but because that's a whole piece by itself. You know what I mean? No,
Yeah,
we gonna get in that. What about you, Ali Bay, man? What's your thoughts on that Ethereum, on that joint?
I think Ethereum is going to top altcoin. The next thing, uh, other than
Over,
Bitcoin, the whole.
oh,
I think on those, get at least, for the aggressive buyers, try to get at least 100 of them. For the small buyers, try to get at least of them right, like right now, like don't waiting. Like I think every put at least $100 to $200 inside of Ethereum right now, because
yeah.
for the next few months, Ethereum is gonna
That
roll.
Ethereum gonna jump like a motherfucker, cause they got so
Like,
many platforms that are built off of it. Yeah. Like you got
you
that
know,
Polkadot, you got the damn that's gonna be against. You know what I'm saying? So it's and they got a but see, I guess with Ethereum and Bitcoin, you got the problem with them being costly. You know what I mean? Now, if you have a platform where it's not as the fork how they trying to make with the Ethereum too. You know what I mean? It's they saying it's gonna be a little bit cheaper, but most of the NFTs is off of the Ethereum blockchain. You know what I'm saying? So that's why it's either the Ethereum blockchain or it's a Origin protocol. That's those the two chains. But see, we'll talk about the NFT space as well because I know you into that space too, Ali. You did.
yeah,
We'll
yeah.
touch on that
Shout
now.
out,
But
shout out to Jim Jones.
hey, Zap like, hey, hold on now. Uh uh Roddy Mac, man. What's one thing that you feel like I guess with the crypto that people should be looking forward to or look into as a new person in just in that space period because everybody's hearing about it, everybody's talking about it now. Um you have been a person that have been into it more so recently, so you able to give them a perception of what's might be holding people back that you like, hey, nah, fuck all that. This is why I jumped in. What do you think they should do or
Um,
get them going?
I feel like people should do their own research and figure out about crypto and this new digital currency that's happening because they slowly but surely, what I'm saying, everything is about to be digital.
Yeah,
Um, what I'm saying? It's the future, you know. And with that being said, with me getting in this crypto world, I'm thinking about the future. I'm thinking about making a better life for my kids. You know what I'm saying? So I have to think about the long run.
absolutely. Yep.
So, and I believe if I make smart investments now, with my team, such as far as you know what I'm saying, Ali Bay, and others, you know what I'm saying, we can, make the right moves and hold it like Ali Bay was saying, hold it, you know what I'm saying, and then just reap the benefits, you know what I'm saying, off having patience, you know what I'm saying. So if somebody is looking to get into crypto, I feel like you need to do your research first, and also, like I said before, have patience because there's gonna be ups and downs.
Hell yeah.
Um, just have like a bigger vision, you know what I'm saying. See the bigger picture, you know what I'm saying. And like how he said, that's what the rich and elite do. They see the bigger picture and they know how to hold and wait, you know what I'm saying. And
Man,
yes,
speak
far as
them
like you
Joes to
have
him,
to,
man.
yeah, you have to do your own research, you know what I'm saying, and you know what's going on, you know what I mean, and because I feel like once, I mean, it's still not too late for Doge. Just go back on Doge because it's under $1. But I feel like when everybody gets on something, I feel like it's kind of like too late. You know what I'm saying? But it's still early because it's under $1. But if some people would have did a research, they would have figured out. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, this is something that I can invest in, and it's cheap and it's under. You know what I'm saying? It's this price. So definitely, I would say do your research, and if you
Yep.
find something that interests you, uh, think for the long run. You know what I'm saying? And have patience.
Yeah, yeah, most definitely, most definitely. I think one thing you said about even just getting into it, you know what I mean? Like, okay, now this is one question I want to ask before I said this. What do you feel like is a good amount to put into it? A starting amount.
I feel like you should want to invest something that that's comfortable with you. I mean, it's also kind of like this is a good question because people been asking me, so how much should I invest? How much should I do? You know what I'm saying? How much should I put in and all that? Really, I feel like it depends on how much you have. You know what I'm saying, to invest, because you don't want to go broke doing it. You know what I'm saying? It's on the amount that you feel comfortable with investing. That can be anywhere from $100 to $200, or you know what I'm saying, whatever. But as long
But
as
at
you
the
don't spend your
minimum,
last on it,
right?
at the
One thing,
minimum. Oh, okay. So let's say this, just hypothetically speaking, and we're gonna go back to Doge because that's one of the coins that I got in.
and then I'm
So
gonna get in.
so
Yeah,
Doge is like 5 cents or whatever, right? So I'm like, at the minimum, at least, you know what I'm saying, $50 to $100, you know what I'm saying, so you can have a nice amount. And if it's more than that, even better,
Hey,
you know.
hold up, hold up. Now, hold on. That's why I brought you up here. Hold on. Now, see, this is it from experience from a person that's already been in it for a little
Exactly,
minute to
exactly,
somebody
exactly,
that's
bro. Yeah,
just
yeah.
newly in it. That's why. But see, this is why we understand, just to understand the difference and
But
know
but also, like, I don't feel comfortable telling somebody how much, you know what I'm saying, because I'm not
to
trying to
spend. You
pocket
damn
watch or
right.
nothing
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
You know what
yeah,
I'm saying?
yeah,
I just
yeah,
say
I'm
yeah.
not.
just
No, no,
invest
no, no.
what you can.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not asking what you want to do. You're gonna tell me what you want to do. So, uh, when if I ask you what you want and you tell me you just want to make a lit money, I'm gonna show you how to make a lit money. And if I
Okay.
ask you what you want to do, and you tell me well, I'm telling you, you can make millions. You're gonna do what I'm telling you you're gonna do. So if you want to make lit money, then yeah, put $1,100. If you want to do that, you living for tomorrow, But if you want to grow up and think about what you're gonna do when you gone and your kids still here, then don't put nothing less than $100, and really nothing less than 1,000 if you can do it. And that's what I
I
mean
like
by
that.
reoccurring mean if you buy something like Doge at 5 cent, and it was 5 cent for a whole month or a month and a half. You supposed to kept putting $100 in it every time you got paid or every week, or like if you got a addiction of smoking cigarettes, that's $10. Every time you pay for that, you should put $10 inside a Doge. or just spend the whole 20, buy the cigarettes and buy some more Doge. Cause steady buying it at the same price. So when it jumped, you done put so much in it, you done use Doge like a savings account, Even if it go down, your shares do not
Bounce back up.
go down, but your shares don't. You own shares. It's not the money. The money has no value. It's the shares. It's the product that they're selling. So fuck if it go down, Fuck if it go down. It's still there. Did the company disappear? No, it's still there. So when it go up, you will still have the shares. So you keep on reoccurring, keep on putting money in it. So if you put $1,000 in it, man, when it hit $1, you think about what's 100 divided by 5, you know, times what you put in it.
One thing, that's how you make that
That's
long money. You know what I mean? Yeah.
what I mean. That's $1 million for the thousand, at $1 from for your 5 cent.
Yeah, yeah, it's definitely ways to make some good money in this industry. You know what I mean? You just got to know how to continuously put into what you believe in. It's like, how much do you believe in yourself? You know what I mean? Like, do you believe in
But
yourself a little bit, or you know what I mean? And
you
then
know,
the more you put in, shit, the more you gonna reap your benefits. Because with the majority of these
but
stocks, as far as right now, I can only speak for right now, just because it
that,
seems, yeah.
that's speaking for the lit person. That's reoccurring. For the big person, the thing is, we have maximums on a foreign exchange a day. So on crypto, it's 25,000. For the big aggressive person that got the money, he need to go and throw that whole 25,000 in that thing and just let it flip. If you just looking for doubles with the big money, throw that 25,000 in there on Doge and just let it turn to 10 cent when if it was 5 cent. Or right now, that all aggressive buyers, man, y'all make gains. And I hate to give y'all the game, but I gotta give y'all the game because to be told and not sold with this. You hear me? So let me tell you something. If you put 100,000 inside, okay, 25,000 inside of each home, that means you're gonna use 4 different platforms. That's $100,000 you just invested. All those coins flip to the next price. You done double, your money, man, and it's your money just like that. This decentralized. Ain't no third party in here, like Bank of America. Hey, where you get this from? And then when I mean decentralized, that means you can go to the car lot, and buy what you want with these bitcoins. That's why Elon Musk said Tesla taking bitcoins. That means you can come to Elon Musk and buy a Tesla with 2 bitcoins. Ain't no FBI looking for no 2 bitcoins. But if you bring $17,000 cash, or the Tesla costs 100,000 or whatever, because that's was 100,000. So if you bring $100,000 cash to that dealership, you're gonna have the FBI feds looking at your black and white papers.
Absolutely.
So that's why we up in this crypto space with bitcoins, just like that.
Yeah.
So let's let fake information that the media put out. So like Kanye West supposedly lie, be the richest black man in the world, 6.6 billion. Guess what? Mr. BSV is one of the richest men in the world. He made 10 billion off of Bitcoin, but they don't know that because that's decentralized. But that's information you can find out from him on Snapchat because he's just a regular person that came up overnight. You know,
Yeah. That's a good point.
Now,
no, what nobody got. Eddie Griffin, they broke, but guess what? He living real good. He got YouTube videos. Go trip. You hear me?
hey, so Rod,
Yeah.
what's your I guess if you saying the crypto space as a savings or like how he said, if that's not too far fetched to see, what do you think? I guess would be the best bank crypto to put yours in
You mean like what's the best crypto to
that you
invest
looking
in?
at. Yeah, that just off top of your head that you might think that you might be fucking with.
It's a couple. Uh, it's a couple. Right now I can't just give one. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I feel you.
But like, I wish I did have the money, and I wish I did invest in Bitcoin back when it was $1. And you know what I mean? I wish I would have took heed to people telling me, you know what I'm saying, invest in it. But that comes from me being having lack of knowledge and not having vision. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, like I said, like it's plenty cheap coins now. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got like a Fun Token, which is under Binance. You have V Chain.
Yeah.
You have like
That's it.
it's a
That's
lot.
something.
Like
That's something
it's a
I'm
lot.
looking
Like
at.
yeah,
V
it's
chain.
it's a lot.
Hold on.
Hey,
What was you saying?
I
Was you
like
saying
I
something, Brooke?
hey,
Yeah, the V chain. I think that's gonna come up next.
yes,
Hey, that
yes
is.
sir,
Hey,
yes sir,
it's already on the move. That motherfucker is
I
yes
on
mean,
sir,
the
yes
move.
sir,
Hey, hey,
yes
cause
sir.
I know my boy Ali Bay know about this one, man. What you think about that that Bitcoin gold, man? Cause I got some.
oh, it is. That's a jam. Gold is a jam because you can't get that on every platform, especially on the little basic ones that the beginners have. So if you don't have Bitcoin Gold right now, get it right now. You heard me? Because it's $110, I think, right now. You know, last month it was all up almost $10.
Hey, that
So
motherfucker moving up, man. Just know that motherfucker. Hey, that motherfucker moving
hey,
up. So if that's something y'all interested in, just having y'all money go up, that's something y'all can get in Bitcoin Gold. If y'all don't know how to get into it, y'all can just contact us, man. Let us know that y'all leaving, cause we saying this shit. You know what I mean? Like we said, a month ago, how it was, what's going on. Just listen. Let us just fuck with us. I'm telling you, we'll give y'all some easy motherfucking money. But so Brooks, I see you came, you stepped up, man. Which crypto you think is gonna be something to look into, man?
man, hey, all right. I think V chain. V chain is definitely one. I want to say is uh the of course everybody knows the Binance that went up. Stellar. Um, that I'm trying to think the Algorand, trying to think if I pronounced it right.
Algorand,
uh,
yeah.
yes, yeah, that one. um of course, I want to say is that now the Tron hit and miss. I say if you do like to day trade, I would go with Tron, not for a long term in estimate, but a day trading right now, Tron. Yes, I would mess with that. Catch it up on like you catch it up on like the right time, you will win you will get some money out of that. Um I'm trying to think. Long term, of course, you got the Stellar. Um, I want to say, trying to think, Compound has went down a little. I think more and more people are starting to know, like, to put their money in there, Compound, because if I'm realizing this is that people are starting to pull their money out of the banks now. For crypto
Yeah.
banks and crypto platforms. So anywhere that's got a good one, Block has a great one where you can put in your money there, and it's gonna earn you back money. You know, I mean, it's like you sitting if your money is just sitting up in the bank, it's not doing nothing. It's not moving. BlockFi, you gonna earn what 8.6%. Hell, Trade Station, you gonna get a 6.5%. I mean, it makes more sense. They have a coin for yield farming that's going up. I mean, it's money to be made there. I'm looking at ways to taking my cash out of the bank now and putting it up in like a crypto platform or whatnot. I mean, that's just it just makes more sense. I mean, it's going to gain me more. My theory is like this: is that money, it's like water. It needs to constantly be always on the move. Whenever it stops, it builds up moss, and then it gets bad. Money should always be it's going somewhere, and you want to get the best back up on. You want to get the best of your
Hey,
upon your
hey,
return.
hey. What people want
Yeah.
to know is how to get crypto. That's what I'm gonna
Say
tell them.
what?
That's what they want to know. How can I get started? How can I do this? So I already told you what you
I
need
was
to do. So how can you download crypto app on your iPhone or your and download coin.com. I mean app on iPhone or Android. And then down uh uh from another country, download Binance. That has the best crypto right now.
Hold on, man.
So
My fault. I had to tell y'all this right now. Y'all need to get in right now because they just did a whole bunch of corrections. Like a whole bunch of corrections. Like
what?
a whole bunch of corrections
on what?
on motherfucking cryptos. Corrections. Okay, now
Uh,
understand for anybody, nobody that understand what that mean. That mean they done changed the most of the stocks went down. Okay, now that means if you understand, this is the time to buy, motherfucking buy.
Hey, hey,
I'm
hey,
telling you.
hey.
hmm,
also too,
right.
also too, and I know, you know, Ali Baker helped me out with this. What I learned is I learned on the weekends. I learned stocks go down. So what I want to know is
Yes.
Alibaba, why do stocks go down on the weekends?
Because the people
Because
over
the
here
stock
in
market.
America are used to the stock market, So being used to the stock market is closed on Saturday, So people make they trade Friday. You seen it going good on Friday, and then it started dropping this morning. So they used to not doing nothing, and or they just spending their money, or they done pulled their money out from profits. People that have made big money from it already. So Sunday is when they start first, and then we wait and we start buying. You start seeing it rise on Monday morning, late Sunday night. But if you didn't buy in, yeah, then that's why you don't see it. But
Yeah, yeah, I'm telling you. That's why, man. Like,
that's the only. But when
hey,
it starts up like a foreign exchange, then you know you gonna see it start going faster. You know when
man,
they
I'm a,
start this currency in space, just like was to go from America and go to France, you would get pounds, in exchange. And if you go to France on a Saturday or a Sunday, it's not closed. The currency is just like it's not here in St. Louis, Missouri on grand. Never. It's 24/7 currency
Yeah.
because you always
Yeah.
gotta, you know, but you in another country spending it. So we're exchanging it with space, and space has.
Yeah. See, I see this space right here, man. Most of the stocks are gonna be going back up and going up fast. So whatever y'all in, please double down in it. I'ma just tell you, I don't give a fuck what you in. Whatever you in, just make sure you get in um a little bit more. Like engine coin for man, engine coin went down. Now mind you, it was at like three and a quarter. It went down to $2.66, 65 cents right now. You can rebuy in. Those do have value. You know, that's gonna a smart contract for game developers. You know what I mean? You gonna it's gonna be having use and value. But right now, because they use
I'm on it.
they
I saw that. I'm
reevaluate.
on it.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Because they reevaluate the stock, you can definitely see it's a it's a good time to buy back in and get some more. But uh, besides that, engine coin, what's some ones Ali Bay, man, you think, man, can people can run off with and get? I know that.
There's three. You need to buy Bitcoin S, Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin. That's a difference. Bitcoin SV. Right there. I want to say 350, but it was almost at 500. So you need to have that right now because it's going to rise Sunday morning. Bitcoin SV. You need to have V Chain. It's about to rise to at least 30 something cent. Is I think it's like 22 cent right now. You need that V Chain. You need to have Polkadot. Polkadot is about to rise up to at least $80. Is at 40 some dollars right now, like $42 right now. You need to have Ethereum. You need to have Ethereum in there. I think it went down to like 2200, and you need to have some Bitcoin gold, you know, and
Definitely
really
got to get that Bitcoin gold, man. Definitely got to
I'm
get
I'm, I'm
Bitcoin gold.
hold on, I'm gonna name thousands of them. You need Litecoin, you know, like that right now I want to say around 270, something like that. It's gonna rise up to 400. You need to have Litecoin. You need to have XRP right now. Is at 151, I believe, right now. That's 7. You hear me? You need to have Dodo coin. Right now, there's at close to $5. You need to have Filecoin. Right now, there's like 170. That's 9. I'm gonna give you one more gem. The last one you need to have in your thing, like a real old, is some Bitcoin. Like, don't even play with it. You need to buy a Bitcoin right now in the dip at 59. Like right now, you need to buy it right now. Right, like right now. And
Nice.
if you put
When touch,
$5,
Ali Bay, tell them when to get it, man. Not
what
next
it, what
week,
it
but
get
when they need to get that motherfucker.
right now. They need to get it right now. Right now. And
Hey, you heard it
we
first.
finna we finna hit 70. You about to hit 3. You hear me? Bitcoin about to hit 70. About to hit 3. You hear me? Bitcoin Cash. You better have Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash just 1,100. So it just dropped down to 1,000 close to 9. You know, so if you don't have Bitcoin
Hey,
Cash,
I'm gonna tell y'all
you
this.
gain because it was just 400 last like 2 weeks ago. It was 400. You hear me? Don't have if you don't have motherfucking I hate to cut.
Ooh, hey,
I got some watching, and I know they won't. They
damn,
getting this
hey,
crypto, but
hey, the fuck?
what?
Did you know Bitcoin had dropped down? Listen, I was, hey, okay. Now this is timing. This is what
Yep.
we mean about okay. Pay attention, right? Bitcoin dropped down to 51,000 today within the past hour. Do you dig what I'm saying?
Yep.
Now that motherfucker's 56 and up and counting.
Yeah, yeah.
Motherfuckers like, oh, Bitcoin down? Nigga, hold up. Let me. I'm telling you. What you think I'm finna do right now? Buy in the
Purchase some
dip.
more Bitcoin.
Buy in the
Hey,
motherfucking
hey,
dip.
all you got to do is put half of that Bitcoin for the aggressive ones. You hear me? At what is it? 56.
Yeah.
All they got to put 28. You hear me? And that had 32. You know, by the end of the
Ooh.
week, you hear me? What? You
I
hear me?
see. I see.
28 and you get 32. You hear me? Trust me. You hear me? Like I told the dude that owned that mother fish. You hear me? Buy Ethereum at 13. He would have been at 20. What it already five. Man, pull that, you know, this is a hey,
Hey, can I ask a question
hey,
real quick to
in St. Louis, they always follow up.
Yeah,
They
hold.
always
Okay,
come
hold.
last.
Hold up. Okay, Ali Bay. Hold on one sec, man. We got a question. Go ahead, ride, man.
I got a question for either you or Ali Bay.
Yeah, yeah,
So I've
yeah,
been doing
yeah.
my research and I've been hearing about Ethereum point two. I mean point 2.0. Can y'all explain that to me? Like, what's that?
Okay,
It's a better one. It's much better, but it's for if unless you want to build up off of it. I mean, I'd say it's going up though. I mean, it's just. I mean, it's. I want to say is that it's a better blockchain. It's supposed to be faster because the problem they had with like the first one was that it was just slow. But I mean, that's what Tron stepped in, and they tried to make one just like that. But Tron it skips blocks, so Tron can be hacked. So with this Ethereum 2
Mm,
2.0, it's just as fast, and it's just as and it does not skip blocks. So it's gonna be I
mm.
want to say it's the future for if you if you want to build up off of that blockchain, if you want to build your own games and apps, that's what it's for.
Okay.
hey, but let me tell you the juice to get Ethereum 2.0 right now. I'm talking about if you want it right now to be the earliest, you gotta go on and Ethereum one, and you gotta 2004. You know, 2.0. So buy some Ethereum on Coinbase and stake it all the way to 2024 when they release Ethereum 2.0. So
That's a
they're not
that's a genius. That's a smart idea. I'm doing the same thing.
3, you know.
Yeah, I'm in it too.
So stake it right now and have it in 2024. That means you have to buy Ethereum on Coinbase right now, you know,
Mm.
and it is going to advertise on your Coinbase. Like, if you need help with me, DM me that, you know. Yeah, hey, I'm trying to make sure everybody gets some because it's no game. It's no game. You know, it make life way better. Like, especially when you learn it. Like, why football players, basketball players getting paid in Bitcoin? Why they putting Bitcoin in every gas station, 7-Elevens and stuff now? Why Visa and MasterCard get sold out to Bitcoin? You know, what if you're not questioning why the money is going away, then I don't know what you think. Then, like they said that people put the value to the money, have no value. That's fiat. Fiat is no money. Richard Nixon took the gold standards away from the money. That means your money is not backed by gold. Bitcoin is worth more than gold. Bitcoin is worth 1.2 trillion a market cap. Gold is only 1,300. It's going down. Palladium is worth more than gold. Platinum is sometimes worth more than gold. You know, your money is fiat. That's fictional money. You put the value to that. You choose to pay $200 for Jordans. You heard me? You know, it's fictional.
The fact that I just want people to understand just how fast shit happens. Like, it ain't even been an hour since Bitcoin was 51,000. Like, understand. Like, it's probably the since this motherfucking video started, you did Bitcoin drop all the way down to 51,000. So understand what's going on.
Guess what?
You could have made some
Guess what?
money in the same amount of time this video was going if you would have invested in Bitcoin.
Hey, guess what?
What's up with it? I think we lost some. He'll be back. He'll be back. So yeah. Hey. Yeah, y'all know. My son just feels he in the building, he crypto. We got these crypto babies. These
Hey,
crypto
so
babies.
I'd like to ask you a question. You know what I'm saying, or
Yeah, yeah,
anybody,
yeah,
because I
yeah.
don't know if
What
the
it do?
viewers
Yeah,
heard.
it's
What are what are some good platforms to purchase cryptocurrency?
yeah. If you try to buy some crypto, man, you got to get it off of crypto.com. Um, Uphold. Uh, we got. Uh, I mean, people. I mean, you could get them off of Coinbase. Let me see. Let me see. They got it. They got Gemini. They got what's this? Yeah, they got Gemini. They got Qcoin. They got it's about five of them, man. That you can honestly get some value crypto out of. It's just whichever ones that you feel like you know, shit, that
Okay,
that that's
yeah,
best
best
for
for you.
you. You know what I'm saying? Like, see how I do mine. I do mine off of what the platform has. Like, I'm still looking for other cryptos off of the platforms that still don't have yet. You know what I mean? Like,
Okay, so
I
by you saying that, because every crypto is not on every platform
app,
that you were saying, right?
right? And that's why I look for what's on what platform. So if I might get a um, I might get a platform that, let's see, I might get a platform that has something that I just heard about that might be a cheap, low cost. You know what I'm saying? But I might get another, but it might not be on another platform. See, not, you know, people have the VPNs that they use, but I'm saying even without that, there's just product. I mean, there's platforms, cryptos that's on Uphold that's not on fucking crypto.com, and that's not on Coinbase, and ones that's on crypto that's not on Voyager that's not on fucking crypto.com. It's like you got different platforms that have different shit, man. So that's the best way. I don't know. Maybe Ali Bacon answer that, man. What's your thoughts?
If you ask, because my phone had went dead, man.
Uh, all right. So basically, like for you, Ali Bay, I got two questions. I was asking, what are some good platforms to get cryptocurrency, and also two, because I want to get a little more familiar with NFTs. So, what are NFTs, and where is a good place you can store your NFTs?
I can answer
So it's
both
two
of those.
questions.
Yeah, I'm gonna answer both of those in one question. So you can get signed up on crypto.com and download the app. You know, if you want, I will send you $25, you know, and it's going you download crypto.com app, and also on the website go to crypto.com/NFTs and sign up with that same profile you download the app with. Okay. And you're gonna have a NFT wallet on the website because they don't have an app for the NFTs on the crypto.com platform. So you can sign up for cryptos on crypto.com, the app on iPhone and Android. Okay. And I think everybody need to also download MetaMask app. That's the new, it's like Google. Okay. You can but in the new world that's coming, you're gonna get paid to use the internet. Like you pay for the internet now, you're not going to be paying for the internet. The internet is going to pay you to use it, but it's going to be paying you through your browser, through crypto like Ethereum, Binance, or whatever coin you accept, that's on the MetaMask platform. So you need to download MetaMask and use it like you use Google, you know, like when you go surf the internet on whatever you're looking for. Oh, I need something to eat. So let me look up targets.com, get them to deliver me some on Google. You go through the Google app or Safari, whatever you do, you're getting them paid every time you click on something. So you need to be going on MetaMask, download your MetaMask and hook up your wallet, and browse through your MetaMask and start getting paid, and download a crypto browser with it, and like Brave or a crypto browser, so man, uh but your MetaMask also store your NFTs. So that's the number one reason you need a MetaMask. That's how people send you NFTs. MetaMask, so man, it's so many platforms you can sign up for crypto. Like I can go down the line. That's something like you just can Google on your not Google, but look up, hit the search on your app store or your Google Play Store, and just look up crypto platforms, or crypto exchanges. But the best ones I would name right now, the top three, is crypto.com, Coinbase, and I would say Binance, for you to get. And if you need $25, like I said, to start up, If somebody's scared to put their own money in, you know, hey, the app will give you $25 if you use somebody referral code. You can use my referral code and get $25, tonight and start tonight. Like it's not gonna hurt you to sign up and get $25 tonight. That's how serious it is that they giving you the money, and but it's gonna be locked up in there like until you put some money with it. But you're gonna see this money build as is just sit. You're gonna be sitting one day like a lot of people did with Bitcoin, in 2009. They was advertising this stuff, in Binance in 2013. They was advertising these coins to us on the internet and for pennies, for nothing, dog. For man, this dudes that bought $100 at 0 cent, man. So man, it's so many people out here so fucking rich, man. Like you just don't know. Like 90% of the man, I ain't gonna say, man. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see because when you around in the real world, it don't look like it. But man, motherfuckers are having a good time. But some people just don't tell you. I'm one of those people that don't tell you. So man,
I feel you. I feel
but
you. Not. Right. What's Hey, we got plenty of different cryptos out here that people got to get into, man. That I guess they don't really know. Um, I'm fucking with them. Oh, really, dog? Cause I ain't gonna lie. One that y'all ain't said, but Polygon, that Matic, that motherfucker gonna do that thing. You know what I'm saying? That's another one to buy into. You know what I mean? Um, if with them NFTs, I was gonna spin that back to Ali Bay, man. What's your thoughts as far as does it matter what NFT you buy? Is there a certain price range you should look for, or a certain how
when you
can people looking are trying to understand how do you value a digital item? Maybe you could pretty much give a better explanation. You know what I mean? And possibly we can show a demonstration. Oh, but you go ahead. Go ahead.
okay, you value an NFT by the creator. Who is the creator of the NFT? Why did they make it? Why is this valuable? Okay, so I ain't gonna say like any plain dough can't make a good NFT. They can. What if they make a good one of a celebrity that's real good and that celebrity buys it from him? So let me tell you how that works. Let me tell you how that it works in two ways. So the celebrity, let me tell you the first way. The buying it from a celebrity has value. So like Snoop Dogg, I have Snoop Dogg and I bought an NFT from him for $213 called Snoop Dogg NFTs. And on the market, like today, I can put it on the market for $10,000 and one day, or right now somebody might want to bid on it and say, yeah, I'll buy it. Or somebody might offer me that for that and I can sell it. Or I can just hold it and later on sell it for even higher. But this is how Jane Doe
Now,
can
now, now, now? Okay, with does it matter if they like the artist? So pretty much, the NFTs are going to be purchased by people that are interested in that artist, as for celebrity wise, or uh, artist as far as a painter or something like that.
no, it's gonna be interesting because of value wise and who that artist is. Just like they value a Pokemon card. You don't like Charizard, but you want Charizard card because it's 250,000.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Same thing with the top shot cards they got going on in the NBA with the different NBA moments. If y'all haven't seen them, they another same type of NFT space that they selling NFT moments of different NBA players that from real life experiences where they've done different moves or whatever. So it's not just a regular NBA card anymore. You know what I'm saying? It's like a video that goes with it, that comes along with it. So yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah. But what I was saying on the second part is, say if I made a NFT, I would I would be making some type of artwork that somebody like. So I make an NFT. What if Snoop Dogg buys it for, whatever price, 500, $1,000? Some people in the sold it for 700, 4,000. Don't matter. Snoop Dogg can buy it and resell it, and Snoop Dogg can sell it for 69 million. Because he got it. He's selling it. I, as the creator who sold it to Snoop Dogg, would get a percentage, 10%, 40%, whatever Snoop Dogg want to give me, or whatever I put in a contract when I sell it to Snoop Dogg. Just like a artist, like a record deal, But that's how the new world finna move with music too. Music is finna be NFTs. Like it's not finna be, it's already is. Like I can own the rights to the Migos right now. it's easy. Like a person that's up for grabs right now is Mary J. Blige. She don't own herself. The record company do. Her stuff is for sale right now. They think she's gonna be legendary. She's for sale.
Damn, I didn't know they had Mary shit out there like damn, just dangling her shit out there like that.
Yeah, they don't own themselves. That's why they can't talk about this crypto and stuff. And they probably can't own none either. But I'm talking with Jim Jones. Jim Jones owned himself. Dipset was an independent company inside of another independent company called Rockefeller. Them people own themselves. Jay-Z is in the
Yes,
big
they got their name.
about it. They can talk about it. But these old string people can't talk about it. They can't talk about it. That ain't their type of money.
Yeah, I don't know why some of them aren't in the space. I feel like some
Hold
people
on.
are scared.
I kind of said that wrong. That's not saying they can't, because I don't want them to look at me like I said, oh, they can't talk about it, they can't get it. They can invest their personal money in it. They probably got their personal money in it, but they not allowed to go off script to tell the public how to do it. And they can't get mad at me because I'm not the first person to say that. Even another celebrity said that publicly already. So that's just what it is. That's been said in the clubhouse plenty of times with people that talk. Snoop Dogg can tell you that. Snoop Dogg own himself.
Yeah, a lot of celebrities that don't own their own name or their rights to their name, they name as an entity or business. You know what I mean? They can't make money off of it or do anything to differentiate certain stuff. But the hmm, I don't know. Like, well, I guess for you, if you see people that are trying to get in it, man, what's like? I guess like we got people that's tuning in, that's listening. What do you tell them, man? Like just like as far as I know more than likely the questions that are like, okay, well, why do I get in it? How do I get in it? You know what I mean? So and you didn't say it pretty much how they can get in it. And on the different platforms and the reward bonuses they're able to receive. Um, Now, why? Give them that why.
I mean, it is gonna reduce the poverty rate. That's the biggest thing. That's what we're looking for, financial goals. We're not looking for fun. This is not a fun trend. This is not that type of party. Like this is for real. This is not no rap music thing. Like this is for real. I don't know if Doge going, but the thing is, everybody hopped on because of Dogecoin, which is a meme coin. So it was made as a joke. So do not take crypto as a joke because it's not the same. Dogecoin is a fork of Bitcoin. It was made to be faster, but it was made as a laugh joke coin. But hold it because it got value to it because it's currency. And guess what? You can buy Dogecoin and spend it at a Mavericks game in Texas. They got a whole city called Starbase. They building. They looking. Matter of fact, if you want jobs and you engineering and everything, you look for millions of dollars. You can apply for a job to build a new city called Starbase in Texas. It's Starbase, Texas. That's the name of the city, Starbase. It's a brand new city, and they looking for all brand new workers, architects, like all types of jobs. We're building a city built off crypto, a city, not no club or no, even though my partner Tony Brown from North Carolina, he's building a school for crypto. Shout him out, Tony Brown, Tony U Brown, hit him up, for information to work with him too. But man, they're building a city in Texas, Starbase. You can Google this or whatever, however you look up your information. But they're looking for workers, to build. So we ain't just looking for if you want to get into crypto, you can help us in crypto by getting a job or a career, because this is finna pay you millions, and then you gonna look at it like, man, I need to get with you, man. But they building a city, so they gonna build one city, and guess what? The power outage just happened in Texas. The reason they finna keep the power on and it won't happen no more is because the battery that's built from cryptocurrency is finna now power up the state of Texas. So it's gonna be cryptocurrency batteries from Elon Musk, the tech king, that's powering up Texas, which is gonna make y'all bills even lower, and they're gonna be paying you to use the internet with his Starlink internet with the Web 3. So he finna create wealth in a city that's paying you to operate. So hey, it's no way but up in this crypto because Web 3 is coming, and I don't know what news they be talking about. Oh, what if they shut it down? What if it all? If you log on Coinbase and crypto, you won't hear that negative news that you hear on the news. Because they don't know. Because they don't they train to tell you some different stuff. So log on your Coinbase or your crypto, look up the news daily. It's tell you how we expanding, who all coming in, who selling out from the stock market, who sold their business for to put in bitcoins, because they know we finna go to the top, man. We finna go to a million.
Hey, also speaking of that, and you right, like yeah, you right. Also speaking of that, the Las Vegas Raiders. I don't know if you mentioned it. The Las Vegas Raiders, and people can research this. The Las Vegas Raiders stadium is the first stadium to have a cashless stadium. So that lets you know right there where everything is, you know what I'm saying, going to go. By them having a cashless stadium, now other stadiums gonna follow here shortly soon. But that lets you know things is finna go more digital. And I feel like that's where people need to head to.
And, I mean, not just that. The Sacramento Kings is about to pay their staff crypto bitcoins. old boy from the New York Knicks, Michael Ogner. I don't know how to say his last name, but his contract is getting paid in Bitcoins. So it's real, man. I don't. He been here 10 years. It's gonna be here 100 more. And it's time to get in today if you want to be living like Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook. That he a criminal. You need to stop playing on him and get on Zap Theory, Zap Life app, and let's chat it up. Stop messing with that Instagram and let's get on Zap Theory. We got a whole new platform for us, man, where we can get on and do our own stuff and create discoveries and wombs where you can build
What?
your own
Yeah.
form up.
Yeah, hold on.
Tell them,
Yeah,
nigga. I hear you. I hear you.
just doing it, man. Just and the opportunity
Uh,
out there.
it's definitely out here. It's definitely the fuck out here.
Yeah,
Hey,
but
we done
yeah,
had this motherfucking going long enough, man. But no, Trip, we gonna have something going on Wednesday. Uh,
it's
you know what I mean?
1 o'clock. Wednesday at 6 o'clock. You hear me? We going live with Catrice Thompson. You hear me? And a couple more people about cryptocurrency. We gonna be on some real stuff, like some real stuff. Y'all gonna be able to meet a lot of people like from all around the world this time. Like
Yeah,
um, Pakistan. We're gonna have people from North Carolina, people from New York. We're gonna have people from everywhere. Atlanta, Georgia, definitely. So I know from St. Louis, y'all always going to Atlanta, soaking up their game or just going down at a party, but ain't getting the information that they own. You know. So we finna do it big. And also, when I say Catrice Thompson, if y'all need to go watch this movie called Secret Sorority, with Erica Pickens in it and Vivica A. Fox. It just
mm-hmm.
on Prime. Hey, go check it out because I can get her game. Hey, hey, so
Hey, yeah,
dude,
cause I seen she been doing her thing.
watch it tonight, and you're gonna be like, man,
Everybody
hey,
been talking about it though online. If you don't know, in that space,
it's
people
number
been talking about it.
20 on it's number 20 on Amazon
I
Prime.
think it done moved up though, but that's
Yeah,
just
now it move down, like down. We don't move up, we move down. I mean, we moving on down to number one. We
yeah.
don't we don't move up, going up. That's going up to 100. Move down.
I have you my no disrespect on how you see it, but yeah, man, we on it, man. Hey,
Absolutely.
hey,
Uh, I just want to let you know, I'm signing out. It's your boy Rod. Go ahead and tap in my boy Ali Bay, man, on Wednesday. And what he got going on, his live stream, you know what I'm
man,
saying? Go
tell them
check
about
him
what
out,
you
like on
got going with
Facebook and
Joint
all that.
Clouds and shit, man.
Yeah, Join Clouds, you can check that out on Facebook. You also check out joinclouds.com online. You can purchase our new merch, our slides. We have cartridges and all that. Just tap in with us. It's your boy Roddy Mizzle. You can check me out on Facebook
Hey,
and on IG. You can check me out. My name is Honcho Roddy. Um, and also Join Clouds is on IG too. Uh, we just we just moving forward, man, and on some positive stuff, and we trying to, teach people on this crypto in this new wave. You know what I'm saying? And
yeah.
trying to share the knowledge. Just like how Dice said, the game is supposed to be told, not sold. You know what I'm saying? And that was real deep when he dropped that gem to me, and that's just real. So I appreciate everybody looking, man. It's an honor, you know what I'm saying, if you have me, you know what I'm saying, on this platform. And just check in with us, man. You know what I'm saying? Jointclouds.com.
Hey, holla at us, man. You know it. We out.
All right.